Today I will show you some production videos of TATE CNC stud welding machines. We have CNC stud welding machines with different configurations from single gun to 6 guns, which can meet various automatic welding needs of different customers. TATE CNC stud welding system is a high-precision, high-efficiency fully automatic CNC stud welding device. Both X and Y-axis drive adopt high-precision ball screw linear modules, which have stable operation, high positioning accuracy and long service life. The control system adopts industrial-grade PC and motion control card, AC servo drive, equipped with energy storage stud welding machine. Drawn arc stud welding machine to suit different welding needs. The Z-axis can be driven by pneumatic or electric servo, and can be configured with one or more welding terminals to meet the individual needs of different fields. Its welding accuracy can reach 0.15 millimeters, and it can realize automatic welding of studs with a diameter of 3 millimeters to 10 millimeters and a length of 6 millimeters to 40 millimeters. The materials it can weld include iron plate, steel plate, low-carbon steel, stainless steel, galvanized plate, aluminum plate, copper plate, aluminum alloy and other metal materials. TATE Group is a professional company specializing in the research and development, production and sales of CNC stud welding machines for more than 30 years. TATE CNC stud welding is the leader of stud welding equipment in China. Due to our high-cost performance and high-quality service, our machines have been sold to more than 90 countries and regions in the world. It has been unanimously recognized and praised by customers. We can provide you with welding power supply, semi-automatic stud welding machine, fully automatic stud welding machine, robot stud welding machine, welding assembly line. Welcome to visit our factory and discuss cooperation. Subscribe to our channel for more machine info.